Hello, Pioneers.
We hope you're doing great. On today's agenda, we'll be going over
Mount Whitney updates with Jace
Spend a Day with,
and Student Life. My name is Audrey.
and my name's Annalise.
And welcome to your Pioneer Report. Last one of the year.
Woo!
Last one of the year.
Yes, the end of the year. The last Pioneer Report we're doing. I don't really need the mic, but because I don't trust people to talk outside my door, I'm using it today. Welcome back to Calendar and Events. I'm your host, Jace Felix. You guys like my Napoleon Dynamite get up? Thank you. I'm glad you found that funny. So we've got a VAPA rally in May 4th to be exact. May the 4th be with you is also that day. It's National Star Wars Day, I'm pretty sure that's what it's called, right? It's National Star Wars Day. I know it's May the 4th be with you, like that's their joke. Okay, this shirt's hot. Temperature-wise, not physically, unless you think that way, in which case. On May 6th, we've got a drama show at the amphitheater at 5:30. So, go to that. All right, May 4th through 11th, we've got AP testing. Make sure you're studying or something like that. I don't study, but you should. On the 7th of May, we've got prom. Something I won't be attending, obviously, due to my Napoleon Dynamite get up. I don't think women are very attracted to Napoleon Dynamite. It's a zip tie, man. Women aren't into the zip tie. They want real man ties. But for those of you who do have romantic relationships, take your girl to the prom. She'll be real happy. Take her to the prom. Go to Denny's afterward. Freaking love Denny's. All right, yeah. Sports physicals, May 11th. Get your. You know what? Never mind. Moving on. 17th through the 18th of May, we have a choir performance at the, I'm going to assume LJ Williams Theater, but I'm going to check my paper really quick to make sure that's true. Yes, okay, I'm right. On the 18th of May, we have the farewell ceremony for all, I'm going to assume graduates, unless we're saying farewell to freshmen, which would be nice, but I don't think we're going to be able to get rid of them for a while. So, senior slideshow and barbecue. I almost said BBQ because that's how it's written on the paper, but people don't talk in acronyms. Not good people, at least. That's on the 18th of May, right? It's on the 19th of May. Grad night, May 20th through 21st. For once again, I'm gonna assume seniors. Okay, for the thing about finals is that seniors actually started early, so May 26th through the 31st is actually when seniors are taking their finals. So I just realized I can't do the funny clapping thing because I have a mic in my hand. Well, I mean, you want me to pass you the mic? There we go. All right. That almost didn't work. Yes. We have regular finals on June 1st through 3rd for everyone who's not a senior. The last day of school is June 3rd. Then we're out of here. And you can go on summer vacation, do summer school, whatever you got going on. You can go ahead and do it because June 3rd is when school ends. And I'm pretty sure June 7th is when summer school starts up for those of you who are taking it. Yep. And report cards are issued on June 17th for those of you who want to know how your grades were at the last portion of the year. Give me something to say for an outro.
For an outro?
Yeah.
Summer. Have a happy summer.
Hags, everybody.
The end of the year is coming up.
There are so many fun activities coming up.
Seniors, this is our last month of high school.
Let's make it count, guys.
And now on to our next segment.
Spend a day with
Advanced Film Production.
My name is Sean, and this is a day with Advanced Film Productions, and I'm here with
Audrey. Hi, my name is Audrey, and I have been in advanced film for 2 years now. I started off in intro my sophomore year, and then I advanced to advanced film my junior and my now senior year. One of my biggest roles in advanced film production is I'm an anchor with Annalise, and you'll see a lot of me in our shows, so subscribe down below. And let's get started. First thing in our film room is our equipment room. In here is where we keep all of our cameras, batteries, tripods, chargers, microphones, anything that has to do with the camera or filming. And forgot what I was supposed to say. My personal favorite camera is a 60 Mark II, mainly for the reason of it having a flip out screen. So this just makes our job easier for filming like Pioneer Report. If it's sitting on a tripod, Annalise and I are able to see if we're in frame, if we're dancing around or something, if we can be in frame, if we can see ourselves, and if it's clear or not. So it just makes the job a little bit easier, which is why the 60 Mark II is one of my favorites. Nice headphones if you need them. Sometimes when kids are editing, they like to use headphones so they can hear, certain things like that. If you're matching music, just a bunch of different things like that. But this is our equipment room. Okay, so the next thing is our Mac desktops. Each student is assigned a Mac desktop that they are assigned to edit on and do any project they want. Currently we have Annalise working on this week or this month's TPR, so you guys will see that by the time the show's out. It's pretty cool. We actually just got brand new chairs, and they actually swivel. Even if you want the mic, actually just got brand new chairs, and they do a swivel. They have pillows, they have headrests, they can go up and down. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Up in the corner, we have some of our Slick Rock trophies. We've gotten sports highlights in 2020. We also got an advertisement, a general advertisement, and a music video. And they're nice to display for all of our hard work. Guys, so next up we have our filming studio. We have two sets. We have our trifold that also comes with a green screen, which is what we film on if we want to add a little bit more character to our videos. And it's very hard to snap on. Ow, that hurt. And then we have our second set, which is our paperback. So we have blue, we have green, pink, any color, pretty much to film what you want to film. We have different lights. We have a boom microphone. If you've ever seen TV shows, they have them in the back to pick up some good sound, and just things like that to help our filming go smoothly. Okay, our next room in our advanced film production room is our sound room. Pretty much in here is anything that has to do with music. If you're into making music, this is definitely the place for you. We have keyboards, sound barriers, different light fixtures, and microphones. We have some desktops for editing your music or anything like that. So if music is something that you're interested in or making music, this is definitely the room for you. Anyways, guys, that was our Spend a Day with Advanced Film Production. I hope you guys enjoyed, and happy last Pioneer Report of the year. Bye, guys.
We are glad to have shown you guys the advanced film classroom.
This is where the magic happens.
Now on to our next segment, Student Life.
Hi, my name is Stevie Marietta, and this is Student Interviews. And the kid behind the camera is Kenneth Robinson.
Bro. Is he recording?
What are your plans after high school?
To go to UC Mooney Boulevard and study psychology so I can manipulate people.
And you, sir?
My plans are to go to Mooney Institute of Technology, MIT, and study biology, and marry this beautiful man right here.
I'm here with Audrey. What are your plans after high school?
My plans after high school is to attend COS for 2 years and then transfer to Fresno State. I'm going to get my teaching credential and hopefully do photography in the future as well.
All right, my question for you guys is, what are your plans after high school?
I'm going to the Navy to play Navy ball.
Okay, valid. Okay, and you?
School.
School after school, all right. You?
Finna enlist to the Navy to serve my country.
The Navy, serving country, yep.
I'm going to the Fire Academy at COS.
Okay.
All I'm doing is just, COS. I'm trying to get my doctorate and all that. Just put in the work.
He wants to be a doctor, okay.
Going to Texas, gonna do something in the music industry.
Music, next rapper, Yeet.
I'm here with
Annalise Bueno.
What are your plans after high school?
My plans after high school are to go to the University of Irvine and study biological sciences.
All right. What are your plans after high school?
My plans after high school, become a college basketball coach.
Valid, okay.
I'm here with
Stevie. Cornelius Bartholomew III.
What are your guys' plans after high school?
I want to be an intern for the New York Lakers.
What?
Okay. I'm here with
I forgot my name.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
What are your plans after high school?
I'm gonna go to COS for a couple years, then I'm gonna transfer out to a different college.
Very good.
That segment's always so much fun.
Well, just like that, seniors, high school has come to an end.
Thank you guys for watching.
We are super proud of our seniors and students this year.
We wish you the best of luck after high school.
We know you guys will do great things because once a pioneer, always a pioneer. Students, don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any future uploads of the next school year.
And make sure to follow us on social media down below.
Until next time,
This has been your Pioneer Report. Have a great summer.
Bye.
The same, we're different in a good